Well, today, folks, I'm putting together a little short clip or short video of this little rolling cart, buggy, dolly, whatever you want to call it. My wife and I normally sell out at the livestock shows and rodeos, and we have an exhibit booth there, and we trying to find a simpler way to get our product in from the toy hauler into the exhibit hall. And normally we have to dolly it in. It takes a lot of trips, so I decided to build this little buggy. I went down to Harbor Freight and bought me some of these rolling casters, I guess you'd call them, or inflatable tires on casters. We really wanted two fixed casters at the back and two swivel in the front, but they only had all swivels and no fixed casters. So we had to just weld two of them solid and use two swivels for the front so we could steer the buggy. Oh, it's about 24 inches wide, and the front push rail on it is about 24 inches tall. The actual angle iron is an inch and a quarter around the frame rail, and it's 6 foot 2 inches long. We needed something big enough to carry these racks. There's about 30 racks that we usually have to haul in, and they get very tough. They're very tough to handle for one person. And when you get up my age, about 60 years old, it's even rougher. So we're trying to find a simpler way, and I decided at the last moment to put something together, and this is what I came up with. I'm not a welder, I'm not a fabricator, but I was able to put this together with some, a MIG welding machine and one grinder and several hand tools. It's not a professional job by any form or fashion, but it will surely get the job done. I believe each one of the tires are rated at 300 pounds, carrying capacity. So if we put 15, 20 racks on it at one time, it will still be within the limit of the total weight limit that they should be able to carry. I also added a little side rail on there, and I took some 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch square stock, which is used in metal rolling gates and similar projects like that. Oh well, we're just giving you a little plug on our business here. We're TXDashcovers.com, and we sell all the products you see there on the label. What we normally sell out at the livestock show is what we're about to show you, I believe, here pretty soon, and that'll be the actual crosses. We sell custom metal art, a variety of handmade stuff. My wife and I are semi-retired, so we're trying to find a way to supplement our income, and that's the only thing we can come up with. There you go. There's a couple of pictures of some of the crosses. We take a actual complete log that's 16 foot long, 24 inches, 30 inches in diameter, and I built a custom old homemade sawmill that I cut the logs down into slices. Then I run them through a planer, and then we finish them up, and we sell them to the general public when we go to these livestock show, rodeos, or exhibition halls. Well, guys, I hope this little project will help you make a decision as to what you want to build. This may help you, may not, but if we did any good, please hit the like and subscribe button. We need all the help. We're out here in the YouTube world. We're just a mom and pop operation trying to survive. Thanks again for watching.